Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm planning to show you one of the executed trade. So just now I have completed that trade, and then maybe we'll talk about few of the features as well. So yeah, here is the trade, and you can see how effective that is. So in just 30 minutes, it exited with a target. So how we started is, so initially I had this enabled 9:15, and I entered with this stop loss and this target. So as soon as we entered around, see, 9:10. Okay, so at 9:10 it started waiting for the entry time, and as soon as the entry time is meet, like whenever it was 9:15, it executed all the trades. So here you can see what it executed. So 83,700, because the strike away I took was 3, because today is expiry of Sensex, and I thought uh, closer, the more closer we are, the more premiums would be. So we took 3 as a strikes away. So from 83 400, it took 700 and 100. So these are the order IDs, and what we entered is short strangle. Okay, and these are the strikes. Now you can see the execution in here as well in the orders. So 9:15 both the orders were placed, and the combined premium was around 186 or something. Here you can see I was tracking this as well. So on Sensible, there's a very good feature of tracking the combined premiums. So at the start of the day, let me switch to 5-minute chart and intraday. So at the start of the day, it was around 185 or something, and since then it is going down, the combined premium of this Strangle, and that's where I booked. Apart from that, I'll show you. So here you can see the timings as well. 9:15 both the orders were started, and then PNL monitoring started. So PNL monitoring started, and after that you can see here so here the PNL monitoring started actually, and as soon as the combined premium or combined PNL of both the legs met, we got the target profit hit. So this is the target, and the target was achieved, and it exited all the legs. So here you can see the PNL is bit different, because it captures the, at that time, whenever it is exiting, the premium of that. So there is some difference, or we can call it as the slippage. Here you can see. So total profit is around 4,260, which is bit lesser than what it shows, but that's how it is, because these are market orders and there are chances of slippages as well. So this is where it exited both the trades. You can see, and why I say this is effective is you can take only one trade during the day, and you can see the contract note, which is very less, like 100 rupees. So if I'm paying 100 rupees on a profit of this much, it is very efficient, which is not even how much, 2%, right? 2 to 3%. So that's the advantage actually. You can take a single trade, and you can have SL and profit set, and based on that you can trade. So very effective, and time based as well, very effective, because it takes the trade as soon as market opens. So if you try to do it manually, you won't be able to place both the trades at the same time. You can do it through baskets, but again, like that precision will not be there, and you will not get the whatever price you are looking for, right? So that fast and that effective execution is what we need. So that's one thing. I'll show you maybe one more trade I'll take, and I'll show you how exactly it works. So just for example, long C. So we'll take one, we'll buy one C. So currently by default it is strikes away 0. I'll take it strikes away maybe let's say 5. So 750 is the premium required. Let me go further away. So close to 9 rupees. Okay, so here I'll show you how exactly it works. So now everything is checked. You can see the stop loss and profit target as well. I have kept it very less. So let's see how it works. Or maybe even I'll just for the purpose of showcase, I can have it as 5% of my premium, which is 20 rupees, right? And everything else is fine. Not 20. I'll just trade one lot, and 1 rupee is, so let's take 10. That's fine. We'll wait some time. So here is the trade. So as soon as I place the trade, you'll see a row appears, because that's where we do the strategy adjustments and all. Yeah, so trade is placed. Here you can see we have bought 84 200, okay, and that is at 750. And now our PNL monitoring is started, and even this has started. So our stop loss and target is 20 rupees. Here you can see what all options you will get. You'll get option to add a lot. So here you can give any number of lots, and as per that it will just execute. Add or exit. So how many lots you want to add, how many lots you want to exit from the existing position. So that's what we are providing. Apart from that, we have a shift as well, where you can give, let's say, 1 or -1. So this accepts both, because it depends on where you want to shift it, right? So this is based on the number 84 200. So if you want to shift it +1, that will go to 300, and if you want to do it -1, that will go to 84 100. So that's for shifting. And in shifting as well, what we have done is so this captures all the configs when you are placing the order. But here this is a new trade, right? You're exiting all the existing ones, and then you are re-entering. So while re-entering, you cannot be having the same SL or same target, right? So that's where what we have added is, like, let's say for example I keep it as 1 and click on shift. So it clearly says that we are shifting from 200 to 300. Do you want to proceed? You can say OK, and it will ask for stop loss and target. So as soon as you give the stop loss and target, which is the modified one for the movement, it will shift, it will exit all the open trades for that strategy, and it will re-enter after shifting. So that's one thing that we have newly added. And apart from that, we have update, because sometimes what happens, you in a hurry you click on place trade, you don't look at the default stop loss and target, but later you realize that your stop loss and target is too tight or too loose. So based on that, you can have a privilege to change your stop loss as well. So you can go to this row again, which is your long CE strategy for 84 200 of Sensex. You can click on update. So this will ask you to update the stop loss and target. So this will actually override whatever stop loss and target you placed at the start of the trade. So that's another thing we have added. So these are all the things which are required for managing the trade, right? And these are very important. Apart from that, I was thinking of adding this trail SL and target, but as we have given the option for update of stop loss and target, I don't think it is required. But we'll see, like, if we can automate and have something which trails automatically, we can have that. But otherwise, I don't think that is required. So this makes our tool pretty much complete. Here you can see. So now one more thing, yeah, I forgot to tell. So here live PNL you can see it is updating, and here you can see total PNL as well, which is updating as per this. So that's another thing we've added, because when you are on the app, you can only focus on live PNL, but you did not realize, or you will not realize how much green or how much red you are in the account itself. So this fetches all the profit and loss for the day, and using that you can see here what is the total PNL of your account. So that's another thing. Now apart from that, rest of the things I think we have already talked about, how it works and all. Strategy wise as well, we have added all the strategies required for spreads, butterfly or iron condor and everything. So everything is possible using this, using hedges obviously. So you can add the hedge as well just to check how it works. So here you can see, so hedge is added. Now you can see for any of the strangle or straddle, this is for strangle. So it has added the hedges as well. So hedges are strikes away, you can modify that to 10 if you are using this for margin purpose. But otherwise, let's say you are planning to deploy iron counter, because this is strangle, right? So you can choose to have, let's say, 5 or 3 strikes away, right? You can have that as well, or you can have 2 as well, right? So this will give you all the strategies. You can play around with the strategy formation or not. So everything is possible in this. Now one more thing to show is number of lots and everything, right? So here we are dealing with only one lot, but let's say if you want to increase it to 55, which is beyond Sensex acceptable amount, right? So here as well you can see all the hedge orders and orders are split into 2 based on the lots, right? So that's another thing we have added. Apart from that, configurations I've shown you already. This is mainly because exchanges, what they do is they keep on changing the expiry day, keep on changing the number of lots or everything. So just for that I have given this configurations. You can save it one time and that will be used for every day, right? So yeah, that's about it. We can if you have anything, I think the stop loss has hit. Let me show you that. Yeah, while we were talking, you can see the stop loss has hit. So here this is just for reference, this is for developers, but you don't need to look into this. Here we can see minus 20 was minus 19 was the, sorry, it was something different, because okay, I think we got when we placed the order got or the spot got changed, and that's why we got this instead of something else, right? And one thing is, you can see the stop loss and target. So this was our stop loss, max loss, and then target, right, which was I think 10%. Yeah, 10% of the trade. And as soon as the stop loss is hit, it has exited all the positions. And here as well you can see while we were talking, it has exited the position and it has exited the row as well. That means the strategy is exited, we are no longer in the strategy. So yeah, this is how it works. Very efficient. Trading on this from last month, and all the testing and everything is going well, and we are on track for next month release, and hope everything goes fine. So keep on watching the videos. Keep yourself updated with the all the improvements and all. You can subscribe to our channel as well, and if you like the video, you can comment all the requirements you have, or any improvements you think of that can be done. We'll definitely consider that. So thanks for watching this video, and goodbye.